There's one special way how you can make it that you can change variables inside structs. And to do that, you have to add something called a state property wrapper. Basically, just this portion here, at state. Don't make this confuse you too much. We'll explain more about this later. But basically, this at state is a way how we can make it that any variable can change inside a struct, and it will make it that the view update so you can see those changes. So for now, just do tab, selected tab. Just do selected tab. And then we'll have it be of the type of the enum that we created. Remember, tab section. And then we'll do equal, and we'll do dot. And the first tab is always a TikToks tab. Okay? So again, just in case you're starting to get confused, tab section is the enum that we created right here, right? To keep track of each of the sections. Now, if we go back to tab section view, now that we have this enum that's gonna use to help us keep track, what we want to do is basically make it that whenever we click on a tab, so whenever we click on any of these tabs here, we want to make it that tab the new selected tab, right? So inside our button, remember we have a button here, and then this is the action portion of it, right? Inside these curly braces, this is the action portion. So what we're gonna do is basically set selected tab, which is the state variable we made earlier. We're gonna make it selected tab equal to section. And section is, remember, it's what we get from looping over each case in tab section to make all of this. So now we're setting it that whichever one I click on, so if I click on locked, then the selected tab becomes the lock type. If I click on the heart one, then selected tab will be the heart type. So now what we want to do now is make it that the rectangle, the line, only shows for the selected type. So to do this, what we're going to do is basically right under our rectangle, we're going to add a new modifier. So let's just do this and then do that. And we're going to say foreground style. I remember this is kind of how we change colors